Hi guys, welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make your profile picture private on Facebook. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. First, you need to open Facebook application. Once you open Facebook, then you need to click on three bars at the top right corner. Then you need to click on see your profile, and then you need to click on your profile picture, and then you need to click on view profile picture, and then you need to click on three bars at the top right, and then you need to click on edit privacy, and then you need to click on see more and click on only me, and you can see that now my privacy is changed and now my profile picture is private. So by following these steps you can easily make your profile picture private on Facebook. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.